Hi, how are you guys today? So I was thinking about all the spring songbirds that are out and about right now that you can hear, especially in the morning. I thought maybe we could make a bird feeder for them with either toilet paper tubes or pine cones. So all you need is something to spread some peanut butter, a toilet paper tube or a pine cone. And do you remember the Find It game that we made? We can actually use the bird seed that we used in there, or if you've got bird seed laying around, and use that. So bird seed, tube or pine cone, spreader, peanut butter. Meet me back here. We are ready to create. So I think I'm going to start with the pine cone. So you can see that I tied some yarn around here. You want to make sure that you do that first and make a loop so that you can hang it on a tree branch. Do that first, otherwise it's going to be a little bit messy once we get the peanut butter and bird seeds on here. And of course, if you're allergic or someone in your family is allergic, you can use other kinds of nut butter. Or maybe we just do a different craft. So let's take our peanut butter and start smearing. So we want to just get it into those nooks and crannies in the pine cone. And it doesn't have to be super thick, and it also doesn't have to be perfect. So we're just spreading some on here. I don't want to contaminate my peanut butter, so I'm not going to dip back into that with this. So we get the spoon. We're in my kitchen. This is Andy. So I'm going to get a spoon and just get a chunk on here and just dip from here. Smear that all around. And if you want to avoid where your fingers are, that's okay. We can do that. This bottom part. Birds really like peanuts, by the way. Some birds really like peanuts. All right. So you get the point. Let's put those to the side. Now I have used a little cardboard tray that I had from Drinks that we had purchased. And you can use anything really. You could use a cereal box and cut off one of the sides and make it like a tray if you want. But this makes it a little bit easier to try to get the bird seed on. So all I'm going to do is take this and roll it in the seeds. Make sure I just roll it around really, really well. Get as many seeds on there as we possibly can for our bird friends. It smells really good. I'm getting hungry. Okay, ta-da! So there's one kind of bird feeder. So let's put that over there in the corner. And then if you're going to do the toilet paper tube, same thing with your string. I had two short pieces of string, so I tied those together. And I'm just going to take that and go through the tube and tie a knot in the top here so I can make a loop, again, so I can hang it from the tree. And then do the same thing. Smear peanut butter. How often do you get to just smear peanut butter on stuff? All right, couple more. Uh-oh, I'm getting it on me. Oh no, I might have to lick it. All right, and then you're just going to take this and roll it around again. Try to keep my string out of the peanut butter. Ta-da! I can get this side too. Once I've got some birdseed on here, on the other side, it'll be a little easier to hold this and not get peanut butter all over me, but I did a little bit. It's okay. Have fun with it. Enjoy. Bye.